Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Revit, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to create stone sword in Minecraft. I will show you how to do it, so you may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment, let's go. So what you need to do is dig some stones, but you require minimal wooden pickaxe, but everyone's pickaxe is good. Okay, so you need dig some stone. 2 stone is okay to create one sword. And now we put to the crafting stones, 1 stick, and we created a sword. So that's all in this video. I hope that I help you. You may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Bye bye. See you next time. Thanks.